Is your favorite drink starting to become a little bit too boring and you want to add a little bit more excitement and flavor to it? Well, check out this BIMING cocktail smoker. This is the BIMING cocktail smoker, old fashioned. You should never miss. Straight out of that lovely gift box is instructions manual. You have a steel cleaning brush. Look how cool this is. 2 of these stainless steel filters that's used for these 4 flavors of wood chips. Each of these canisters holds 30 grams or 1.06 ounces of the apple wood chip, oak wood chip, cherry flavor wood chip, and pecan. And also contains this smoke infuser with the BIMING cocktail smoker logo. This must be the cap, and this is the channeling. See how all these openings? This is the bottom unit. This fits on a cup, and this closes out so smoke is not released. And it even comes with this nice butane torch. It doesn't come with fuel, so you have to purchase that separately. Looks like on bottom you can increase and decrease the amount of flame. This must be a trigger. Oh, it even has an auto switch. Cool. This is a nice little butane torch. I use this in my cooking too. I'm actually excited to see what these wood chips look like. Cherry, I guess this is my favorite flavor out of the bunch. How do they look? Oh wow, look at this. Oh wow, it has a nice cherry flavor. It's not overwhelming, it's just the right amount. Okay, that's cool. What about the apple? Okay, so they basically look the same but with different flavors infused. Oh yeah, that's definitely smells like apple. Kind of reminds me of those Angry Orchard flavor. Take a quick sniff of the pecan. Actually, that might be the tamest aroma of the bunch. And yeah, the oak definitely smells like regular wood. I'm excited to try it tonight. What drink am I going to mix up though? I'm ready to refill or fill the butane torch. I have this max butane fuel. Keep in mind that butane is heavier than air and this doesn't come equipped with it, so I'm going to turn this upside down. So it looks like I'm going to need the help with this butane adapter because it won't just fit directly into the butane torch. Okay, once I have down here, I'm going to turn it upside down and insert it in increments of 5 seconds. If there's any leakers, you know. Here's how you use a butane torch. Okay, so simply rotate it so there's to the plus sign, so there's more fire. Okay, and to the maximum. All right, this is what the torch looks like, and there is the automatic trigger. Okay, so that's how you use the butane torch. For today's drink, I'm gonna call it the Mango Delight. I have some Hideout vodka right here and some of this Skinny Cocktail Mixer Mango. All right, so I'm gonna put this big old round ice cube in here, pour a little bit of the vodka in here. All right, that's a good amount right there. And of course, put it in the mixer. That's looking good already. Okay, make sure you leave enough room for the smoke, of course. Now I'm gonna put the smoker top on here. I'm gonna put the strainer. I'm feeling the mood for something fruity. How about some cherry and apple? Just put a nice big pinch in here. Mixing with the apple. Don't forget this step, otherwise you're gonna have wood chips in your drink. Now comes the fun part. Aim the fire directly over it for 5 to 8 seconds. Until the smoke gets into the drink. Look at that. Look at the beauty of that. And then of course I'm gonna cover the top and let that smoke take into effect. After about 10 seconds, look at that. Swipe of orange. Here we go. Cheers. Here we go, guys. Cheers. Ooh, talk about a smoky flavor. Wow, it's definitely a unique aroma. First of all, you know, you have a strong vodka. You definitely need that some type of mixer. When you add those wood chip flavors, it just takes it to another level of enjoyment. The flavor is definitely a truly unique experience. Wait until you guys try it. It's amazing. Wow, this was truly a unique and eye-opening experience. Now I'm open to a lot more possibilities when it comes to mixing drinks. So if you are looking to add a whole another level of excitement and aroma to your favorite cocktails, definitely check out the BIMING cocktail smoker.